hello friends, welcome to my channel Amit's Tech and Travel, and this is your host Amit, and today's video will be unboxing the OnePlus 12. So let's get started. So here I have with me the new OnePlus 12. It's a collaboration with Hasselblad. This is how the packaging looks. In this, we get the logo never settle. Oh wow, I didn't expect that. We get a free case with this. It's like a squishy case just for the initial protection. You can buy a new case. So we'll keep this aside. We get the SIM ejector pin, a red cable club card, scan the welcome benefits. Keep this aside as well. Phone hole seal stickers, it says. Okay, I think this is the bottom charger, the top, and things. They are given the instructions. So I think it comes with an protective case, and this is the OnePlus logo and sticker, and this is safety guide. Let's keep this aside. What else do we get in the first case? This looks premium. It says welcome. And this is like a welcome message. Already OnePlus Flagship represents the pinnacle of our signature fast and smooth experience. It's signed by the founder of OnePlus, Pete. Let's keep this aside as well. Another quick guide explaining the phone parts, like front camera, how display, all this. So let me keep this aside. I think that's all in the first box we get. I was really surprised that they include the case in this. So yeah, now we have the phone itself with us. Wow, it looks amazing. So I bought the silky black. Wow. Silky black, yes. The other variant is emerald green, so I went with the silky black. Wow, the camera looks really amazing. The camera module. We have the Hasselblad logo and the f.1 aperture for each of the cameras. The three cameras which you see, the flash. It's truly amazing. Let's keep this aside and see what else we get with the phone. We do have the charger here. It's a 100-watt charger, and we have the cable here along with it. We keep this aside. I think that's it, guys, in the box. So guys, OnePlus 10 comes with a 100-watt charger which charges the phone 0 to 10 in around 26 minutes. That's the claimed of the company, but give or take 5 to 10 minutes in the regular day usage.
The phone can also charge wirelessly with 50-watt wireless charger, but that doesn't come included with the case. Phone, you have to buy it separately. So yeah guys, this OnePlus 12 gets alert slider. I think it's making a comeback again. It truly shines with the flash, and it feels silky as per the name, silky black. And to my surprise, there's a screen protector as well. I'm not sure how well it protects the phone, but it's there. There's a curved section here, and yeah, it does come with a screen protector. So let's turn up the phone. We get the OnePlus logo. So this is the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. So I got it for around 64,999. It's almost 65,000. So once the phone boots up, till then we'll go through the specs. It has a dimension of height 16.43 centimeter and a width of 7.53 centimeter and a thickness of 0.92 centimeter. It has a weight of around 220 grams. It's quite heavy. Nowadays the phones are like 150, 160 grams, and it's quite heavy compared to that. It feels heavy, but I think you'll get used to it as you start using it. So let's quickly set up this phone. So the device has been set up. Let's quickly go into the about device. So this comes with Oxygen OS 14 based out of Android 14, and we get 28 GB pre-installed out of 256 GB, and this is an UFS 4.0. And if you see the processor, it's the latest Snapdragon 8 3rd gen, and we get Adreno 750 GPU. So if you see the RAM, it's 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM, and the battery is 5400 mAh. It's a dual cell battery. And if you see the camera, we get the front 32 megapixel and the rear 50 plus 48 plus 64 megapixel. Now let's look at the camera itself. So if we see more about it, we get the 50 megapixel wide camera and a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto camera and a 42.8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and we get the LED flash and autofocus. So the main camera has EIS and OIS, so the camera video quality should be pretty stable. And let's see a few of the camera samples that I have clicked. So this phone can click up to 8K 30 FPS. So let's see other few camera samples. So this is the video of 4K at 60 FPS, and next we have 8K video at 30 FPS. And these are few camera samples. So this is the rear camera sample, and this is the front camera sample. The screen comes the production of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It has an always on display, and it's an AMOLED 120Hz Dolby Vision display with HDR10 plus support. It has a peak brightness of 4500 nits and a low as 1600 nits. The screen is 6.2 inches. Has a pixel density of 510 ppi. The screen comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection with an always on display. So as you can see how the picture quality looks in this video sample. So yeah guys, it comes with dual speaker setup. So let's hear a sample of how it sounds. So this is how it sounds, and that's it guys. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.